Welcome to this exquisite independent home, located in the prestigious neighborhood of El Poblado, just before La Intermedia. This magnificent residence seamlessly blends modern convenience with Spanish elegance, offering a unique living experience. As you approach this home, you're greeted by a spacious and meticulously maintained exterior. The ample parking area can comfortably accommodate multiple vehicles, ensuring convenience for both residents and guests. The home's charming facade, with its Spanish-inspired architecture, sets the stage for the beauty that lies within. Step inside and be captivated by the stunning interiors, where every detail has been thoughtfully designed. The house spans 2 impressive floors, each exuding warmth and sophistication. The beautiful floors, with their rich textures and hues, add a touch of luxury to every room. The ground floor welcomes you with an open and inviting layout. You'll find one of the 3 elegant sitting areas to your left, perfect for relaxing with family and friends. This space seamlessly flows into the spacious living room, which is bathed in natural light thanks to large windows that offer picturesque views of the lush surroundings. The heart of the home is undoubtedly the kitchen, a culinary haven for any cooking enthusiast. Equipped with modern appliances and ample counter space, it's a place where culinary creations come to life. Adjacent to the kitchen is a charming dining area, ideal for hosting intimate dinners or larger gatherings. Venture upstairs to discover the private quarters of the house. The second floor has 3 generously sized bedrooms, each offering a tranquil retreat. The main suite is a true sanctuary, featuring a luxurious ensuite bathroom and ample closet space. The additional bedrooms are equally inviting and perfect for family members or guests. One of the standout features of this home on Calle 10 is its dedication to providing versatile living spaces. In addition to the bedrooms and sitting areas, the home boasts a well-appointed office space, catering to those who work from home or need a quiet place to focus. The allure of this home extends beyond its interiors. Step outside and be enchanted by the expansive outdoor areas. The property sits on over 1,000 square meters of land, offering significant green spaces beautifully landscaped and filled with various plants. Experience the elegance and sophistication of this home in El Poblado and make this exceptional residence your own.